hotel owner taught me the secret to keeping the bathroom clean and fragrant. To start today's tip, we will need 500 milliliters of detergent. Do not worry about the amount, because this tip yields a lot and you will be able to use well a long time. Now, let's add 150 milliliters of disinfectant. You can choose the aroma of your choice, so your bathroom will have the beautiful perfume you choose to have. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Debbie Dudui from Indonesia. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. After that, we will add a tablespoon of baking soda. Once you start using this tip, you will never have problems with cleaning your bathroom, very easy and practical. And we will mix very well the ingredients of the tip. Now, let's add the juice from half lime. Let's squeeze as much as you can out of this half of lime so as not to waste the piece. And one last time we will mix the ingredients of the tip. And we'll save that mix for later. After that, we'll need a whole lime. And we're going to slice it into several very thin slices. Just like I'm doing now. And we'll sort it out for later use. Now, we're going to need the bottle of detergent that we emptied earlier. Let's take the lid off her. Then we'll take one of the lime slices. And we'll insert it into the bottle. And we'll also insert the other slices into the bottle. Now, we're going to need a funnel to help us insert the mixture into the bottle, without wasting any of it. The degreasing action is what will directly assist in removing the stains. After completing the bottle with the mixture, we will insert the lid of it again. And so, we complete today's tip. Now, come with me and I'll show you how to use today's tip. We will apply the mixture throughout the inside of the toilet, surrounding the entire interior. And then we'll use the toilet brush to scrub the mixture through the interior walls. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it, and tell me the result you had in your home. See you in the next video. Bye.